Hello, my name is Stefan Laxness. I'm an architectural researcher and a former project coordinator at forensic architecture in London at Goldsmith University. For me, it's important to bridge sort of the disciplinary link between art and science so we can better understand the constructs in the world that we live in and have the capabilities to understand how the world around you is measured in order to sort of bring about change, but also in order to ask broader questions about how we actually define these constructs and how we can challenge them as well moving forward. I was really interested in joining useful fictions specifically to learn about the actual sort of scientific technology that we use to measure climate change and how we assess and quantify the data that comes out of those instruments and what agency does that data have. And how can we start to actually unravel those constructs and those systems in order to bring a broader sort of knowledge base to the field of architecture, which is mine, and art, I guess, to a certain extent. So in Lab 5, we were looking into questioning the constructs and the tools that we use to measure climate change. And the conversations that came out of the early days of the lab had to do with understanding sensing, and tools of sensing, instruments of sensing, and techniques of sensing as not only techno-scientific tools that can be used by sort of states, governments, and institutions like the Polytechnique here, but understood differently could be used as operative tools of resistance for groups that are maybe excluded from the list that I previously gave, whether that's grassroots movements, citizen groups, independent groups, and really allowing for sort of an alternative understanding of what sensing means, the scales at which we sense, the range that we have for sensing, and the resolution to which we can sense, and challenging a little bit some of the tools that we have here in the Polytechnic, and bringing in outside expertise from people that have more sort of situated knowledge allows us to have a really sort of constructive conversation about how these tools can be used as a mode of resistance.